Hello, hello. It's quite late in the afternoon already, and we are fundraising, so I thought it's the right time for a joke. And this gives you a feeling what it is to do fundraising. So basically, a college boy writes back to his father at home, "No man, no fun, your son." And there is a quick reply back from the father, "Too bad, so sad, your dad." So this is sometimes how I feel when we are really trying to put together a next funding round, but still we are super proud what we do. We are trying to really work for a cooler planet in the future. So maybe you know, but maybe not, but rooftop solar will be mandatory in Europe. And this regulation was approved very recently, just in March, by the European Parliament. And we know that this type of solution is not really acceptable for all type of roofs. At least it was not acceptable for my own roof at home. When we started, we had to develop the suitable solution ourselves. And we see also that there are many historical buildings and parts of towns which actually cannot install regular solar panels. And this is exactly where we are coming into the picture. What I feel what is happening on the market at this point of time is that the current roofing industry as such is going to be the solar industry in the future. And we are trying to help the roofing industry to make this transition by offering them two things. At first, a piece of hardware, which is basically a metal integrated solar roof. It is a solar panel which basically looks as a roof, and it generates electricity. And I think we are incredibly proud about the product, and recently we have been noticed also by all sorts of architects and design people. So recently we got the Red Dot Design Award as well, so we don't know where to go any further. And it also has a lower carbon footprint than the standard solution of a regular standard roof and regular solar panel on top of that. But we also have a software solution, what we offer to our partners, because the roofers really don't understand solar yet that well, and this software tool makes it very easy for them to plan this type of solutions. Where we stand today. So our value proposition is a combination of a hardware and software. I think we have proven the traction very well already. We have more than 1,000 roofs installed in 23 countries now, and we have generated more than 50 million in revenue over the years. Last year, our revenue was 5.5 million euros. And only a few samples from the roofs we have made, but this is now the most famous client we have. This is Duncan from UK, and his roof was demonstrated or shown at the very famous TV show Grand Designs. And what happened? Within 2 weeks, we got more than 1,000 leads in UK, and even our logo was not presented on this TV show. And now, this year, UK is the most active market for us. So this is where we are at this point of time. But more important is, where are we going? And for us, the picture is super clear. We have a very clear idea what we want to do, where we want to be. And when we speak about the product offering what we have a clear idea and understanding how we get the product cost down by even more than 50%. We achieve that by outsourcing the production. This will help us to sell more through our existing channels, go-to-market channels. We are still having a little bit of end customer business, B2C, but we are mostly focusing on B2B2C channels. And we have currently more than 50 B2B partners agreements signed, and by getting the product cost down, it will help to grow this channel. But what is super interesting channel for us actually now is the large roofing companies who have understood that they need to switch to solar. Otherwise, they don't have any future left soon. What else? We want to see that each of our installation will generate additional revenue for us in the future. And for that one, we have also launched a smart home energy management tool. We have customers in it already, and they are now part also of the flexibility market. And we want to reach break-even by 2025. For that one, we are looking for 6 million euros additional revenue. Please come and talk, investment, sorry. Please come and talk to me. And you see, the team is happy, the team is proud, and so am I. So thank you very much.